In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Base44 app on the Google Play Store 2026. First, open the Base44 project you want to publish. Make sure you're in the correct app workspace and that your preview loads without errors. This is your chance to quickly sanity check key screens, navigation, and any permissions your app might request, like camera or location, so nothing surprising shows up later. From the editor, select Publish. This takes you to Base44's deployment area, where you'll choose the target platform for your release. Pick mobile app so the system prepares Android-ready outputs. If you're planning to publish to multiple platforms later, you can still start with Android first and return to this page for other targets. Next, use Check Your App. This runs automated validations to catch common issues that can block a Play Store submission, such as missing icons, outdated API levels, or misconfigured permissions. It's much faster to address these now than to find out during Google's review. Open the Google Play Guidelines section. Because you're targeting the Play Store, this area highlights store-specific expectations, like properly declaring sensitive permissions. Ensuring your app targets a modern Android API level, and providing adaptive icons. Read each note carefully and apply the recommendations so your first submission has the highest chance of approval. If any problems appear, click Fix It. Base44 will guide you through what needs attention. When prompted, enter a clear description so the AI can adjust the code or configuration. Be specific about the symptom and the desired outcome, and include any error messages you saw. After the fix runs, retest your app preview to confirm the issue is resolved before moving on. When everything looks good, choose Build Stores Files. This compiles your project for distribution and packages the assets you'll need later. Keep the tab open while it builds and avoid making edits until the process finishes. Then select Create Google Play Files. Base44 generates the Android app bundle and other store-ready artifacts tailored for the Play Store. Save the output to a safe location so your team can access it for releases and future updates. With your files ready, head to the Google Play console to submit your application. Create a new release, upload the app bundle, and complete your store listing, content rating, and policy disclosures. Double check that your package name and version details match what you built in Base44, and ensure your privacy information is accurate. That's it. Your Base44 app is now ready for review. Congratulations, and good luck with your launch.